Hey, on Leon's Garage Adventures. We're going to weld AN fittings on 1J valve covers. First, we need to go ahead and grind all the paint off. Now that the AN fittings are going to go on the back, we're going to go ahead and fill these holes up because we won't be needing them anymore. Alright, I put a little bit of heat in there because I'm going to grind it smooth afterwards. Drill bit down. There. Now on the next one, what we're going to do is we're going to go a tad bit forward like this while in the center. So it'll actually be about like that. This way the lines can come off and one can pass right in front of the other so they're staggered. This one's gonna need one more pass with the welder. Didn't quite fill it up all the way around the edges and a little bit in the center. Alright, let's take a little bit more off. I'm sure the average person wouldn't really mind, but this little tiny nick there. Round 3. Well, that's all for today on Leon's Garage Adventures.